You see this bed? It's just in a regular small bedroom, and it's where I use my office now, and I didn't use the other bed that much in here. So I thought, why do that? Let's just change that. Let's just change that in the room so that I can do all kinds of other stuff. I want to do other videos in here, maybe even some exercise videos and stuff like that. So I had to get a different bed. Now see this bed, it's just a blow up bed. And it fits in this little duffel bag. It's all gonna fit right in here. I'm just gonna let the air out of it. I'm about ready to do that, but I just wanted to show you this bed. I think it's pretty cool. It's very sturdy. It only costs maybe, I don't know, 120 bucks or so. You gotta get one of these. I try to keep everything mobile in here, so I got a little lamp over here, and you know, when somebody comes over to stay, I can set up the bed, have the lamp. I've got a little drawer section here. I've got two of those drawer units, and I'll set those up for displays or whatever. So I got a counter in here to show you different videos, and I got a little desk over here, and I can slide that desk over wherever I want. I think I'm going to do some exercise videos in here too. That's why I put the hardwood floor in. I've got some mirrors on the closet doors, and I may even put mirrors on this wall here. I'm not quite sure yet what to do with that. As you remember, I got my lights up in here, my track lighting, that came out really well. And a nice ceiling fan up in here. I also have a wall mounted air conditioner in here. All the comforts that I need to do whatever it is I want to do in this room. You know, I think you should do that to your spare bedroom. What do you think? See what I mean about fitting in that duffel bag? That's that same area. Look at all the extra room I have now in order to do another video for you, whatever it is. And it's not that heavy. I'm gonna say maybe 15 pounds. You can store that in a closet, in a garage cabinet, up in a storage area, whatever. And you didn't know what you were gonna do in your spare bedroom. Well, now you know. Gotta go for now, but I'll be back with more videos